How to customize your Instagram story settings. Hi guys, let's get started. You can customize your Instagram story settings in several ways. Like you can hide your story from specific people, you can control who can reply to your story, you could also hide your story from specific strangers and control who can see your story. Now to do all this, first open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Next tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. And now tap on settings. From here select privacy. Now scroll down and tap on story. Now in this page, you can go through all the options and set up your settings. To hide your story from specific people, you can simply tap on hide your story option and select the usernames of people you want to hide your story from. And same with all the other options. By customizing your Instagram story settings, you can control who sees your content and who can interact with it. So this was a video on how to customize your Instagram story settings. I really hope this video is going to help you out and thank you for watching till the end.